Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about harmful microorganisms and disease caused by them in human beings. And today we will study about the disease caused by microorganisms in animals as well as in plants. Okay, several microorganisms not only cause disease in humans and plants but also in other animals also. For example, the disease caused by microorganism in uh, human and cattle is anthrax, a very dangerous disease. Okay, and other these diseases are caused by the bacteria. Food and the mouth disease are also the disease. Those are caused by viruses in cattle. Okay, and now we will focus our discussion on disease causing microorganism in plant. How the disease can be caused in the plants by the microorganism, virus, bacteria and other harmful insects. Several microorganisms cause disease in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple and others. These disease reduce the yield of crop. What is their side effects? If the crop is free from disease, then more will be the yield. If the crop is infected or affected by the disease, then lesser will be the amount of crop. Okay, and some such plants disease will be discussed. Such plant disease will be discussed in the table. Okay, and they can be controlled also by the use of certain chemicals or microbes. And I will share a table with you separately. In that, what will we discuss? We will discuss about some plant disease, like the name of the disease is citrus canker. It is caused by bacteria, and how it is transmitted? It is transmitted through air. Air can also be a carrier for the same. Next disease is rust of wheat. Okay, these days this is the high time for the crop to be matured for the wheat, and the disease that can affect the crop of wheat these days is rust of wheat. How it is caused? It is caused by the fungi. And what are the carrier of this? Either it can be caused by the seeds, if the seeds used or seeds selected is not of good quality, as well as air can also be responsible for the disease in plants, that is rust of wheat. And other disease is yellow wing mosaic of bhindi. It is also called okara. It is caused by viruses, and the carrier or the transmission mode is insects. If one insect will sit on this particular plant and then it will move to another, then the same will be transmitted to the another plants. Okay, we can use certain chemicals and by which we can kill these harmful microorganisms, as well as we can protect the disease from being affected by the insects. Until now, in this particular chapter, what we studied about microorganisms, their types, various types of microorganisms, uses of microorganisms, positive, beneficial, how they are beneficial to us, commercial use we discussed, medicinal use we discussed, for cleaning of environment we already discussed. Next, what we discussed is for improving the soil fertility also we discussed, and then the harmful effects of microorganisms we studied. And in harmful effects, they can be a cause of disease for us human beings, as well as for animals, as well as for plants also. Okay, so we need to be very careful during these days, we are observing another disease that is caused in human beings, that is due to the virus that is known as coronavirus. The all over the world, the population is suffering from that, and we need to do what? Government is also taking some steps for controlling that particular disease. The first thing is you need to wash your hands regularly. You need to wash your hands regularly. Don't touch your eyes, ear, noses, mouth at regular interval. Okay, wear a mask to protect yourself and don't move outside. So it can help you not only to protect yourself but your family also. And the surprising thing about the corona virus is till now we are not able to detect any antidote or vaccine for this. Okay, so tomorrow what we will study about the food poisoning, how it can affect food preservation also, food preservation as well as the method of food preservation. We will also discuss how we can prevent the food from being spoilage. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Take care. Be safe. Stay at home. Okay, bye bye.